So back again after 10 minutes gap. Take the synoptical analysis of the story as in a summary form, so that after going through the entire story very minutely, I repeat my words, very minutely, thoroughly, you will go through the synoptical analysis, which you will take down in bullets, and then you will go to the question answers, because most of the MCQs and short questions will be resourced from this synoptical analysis. Begin. Synoptical analysis or summary of Thank You Ma'am by Langston Hughes. Thank You Ma'am is an American story, short story written by Langston Hughes. The story was first published in 1958. Story was first published in 1958. The story has two characters, two major characters, both of whom are protagonists. There is no antagonist as such, no villains as such. Both of them are main characters, protagonist. P-R-O-T-A-G-O-N-I-S-T. P-R-O-T-A-G-O-N-I-S-T, protagonist. Mrs. Luella Bates Washington Jones and Master Roger. Mrs. Luella Bates Washington Jones and Master Roger. You know whom we call Master? We call Master someone, a boy, yes, who hasn't reached his adulthood. We call him Master. Soon he becomes 18, steps at the threshold of 18. Thereafter he becomes Mr. from Master. Right? Okay, fine. Next. Mrs. Jones worked in a hotel beauty shop. Mrs. Jones worked in a hotel beauty shop. Next. She returned home late at night. Every night at late hours. Then one day Roger tried to snatch her pocket book, that is purse. And she resisted. Then she grew a filial affection for the boy, motherly affection for the boy, and she dragged him home instead of dragging him to the police station, which the boy actually expected to have happened with him. He was very sure that that could happen to him, but that didn't happen. She cooked him a delicious meal, supper. This lady ran a creche. ক্রেশ বানান হচ্ছে CRECHE, এর ওপরে স্ট্রোক দাও, যেমন প্রেসির ওপরে ইতে স্ট্রোক দিয়েছিল ঠিক সেরকম। ক্রেশ উচ্চারণটা ক্রেচে নয়, ক্রেশ, CRECHE, মাথার ওপরে স্ট্রোক। ইয়েস। She advised him to inculcate good behaviors. Roger too was totally transformed, completely transformed. Mrs. Jones bade him goodbye with a heavy heart. So did Roger, who did not want to desert the lady. Desert, D-E-S-E-R-T, leave, desert the lady. The right choice of words is very, very important for HS, because now that you are no kid, you are on the threshold of your adulthood and future students of graduation, undergraduate level. So the right শব্দচয়ন, সঠিক শব্দের শব্দচয়ন, selection of right words, appropriate words is mandatory. Okay? Now the questions. Usually, straight questions do not come from this story as such. Acha, write some more points. The story admonishes dialogue form of conversational form of writing with urban dialect of colloquial American English, and contracted form in writing as in dialogue. Contracted form of writing as in dialogue. Excuse me for my drinking water. Thank you. Now please take down the moral of the story is, write down the moral of the story. Love can transform everything. Love can transform every vice on this earth. Every little vice on this earth. Love can transform every little vice on this earth. Love can transform every little vice on this earth. This is the moral of the story. Now, broad questions of straight 6 marks, straight questions may come, but this year HS was a bit different in patterning their question papers. They chose for extracts instead of straight questions. So I'll be doing everything with you lest you should fall into trouble. I don't want that to happen to you people. So the first question you take down, the moral you have written, love can transform every vice into good. Love can transform every little vice, vice, V-I-C-E, vice, into good. Okay? Now the questions. First of all, let me give you the straight question. Character sketch of Mrs. Luella Betts Washington Jones. Character sketch of Rojar. All these 6 marks. Moral of the story, 6 marks. Significance of the title of the story, 6 marks. Social picture of the employed in the story. What is the social picture? Can anybody guess? বাচ্চা ছেলে বাড়িতে কেউ নেই, তাকে গভর্নিং করার কেউ নেই, প্যারেন্টিং করার কেউ নেই, সে তো অ্যাস্ট্রে যাবেই, সে তো বয়ে বকে যাবেই। এই হচ্ছে সোসাইটি। কন্ট্রাস্টে আরেকটা সোসাইটি দেখাচ্ছে মিসেস ওয়াশিংটন বেটস জোন্স। সে অ্যাকচুয়ালি কোনো মা নয়, বাট মা হয়েছে কতজনের। সে একটা ক্রেশ চালাচ্ছে, সেখানে প্রচুর বাচ্চাদের সে ঘর দিয়েছে, আশ্রয় দিয়েছে, খাবার দিয়েছে, ভালোবাসা দিয়েছে, and so she is a universal mother. So she becomes a universal mother. Bates Washington becomes a universal mother. Okay? Bates Washington Jones becomes a universal mother. Yes. Next. Contextual questions straight from the prose piece I'll be giving you. First of all, take down. You have to read the text thoroughly, then only you will be able to understand. Because it is not very easy to pick up context from little corners and provide you with the same, but I'll be giving you the very ones which are they have a tendency to come, and the examine and the paper setters usually go for such questions. I'm very sorry, lady, I'm sorry. This very part, you found it out? Yes. Who is the speaker? Was the speaker really sorry? When was the speaker a changed person? Who is the speaker? Was the speaker really sorry? When was the speaker a changed person? 1 plus 2 plus 3. Okay? Next is a question that had appeared in 2016 HS. Please take it down. I would teach you right from wrong. Found it out? Fine. Who said this? To whom and when? How did the speaker transform the person spoken to here? Now, as I have already told you, I have the set ready with me, but I cannot carry and dictate because it will flap and tend to disturb me. So I choose to keep it on a platform base and dictate. So in that case, I sometimes stoop before the camera. So you must be wondering that what is 1 plus 1 plus 1 doing over here when there are only two parts of the question. Now go back to the question in the first part. See, there are three sections. Who, whom, when. All this carry 1 mark. And as I have already told you, let me repeat the same words, very same words. That 1 mark for 1 mark question, you have to write, give a single complete sentence answer. For 4 marks or 3 marks, you will choose accordingly. Yes. কেউ কেউ কম কথায় সুন্দর করে এক্সপ্রেস করতে পারে, কারোর একটু বেশি শব্দ লাগে, আর শব্দের ব্যবহার এত না হয়ে যায় that exceeds 120 words. It's the final limit, 120 words with an advantage of plus minus 5 words. That means 115 to 125 and not exceeding that. 120 should be made the deadline of employment of words to write any answer for 6 marks. Okay? Next question. Take it down. I have done things too which I could not tell you, not tell God. Son, neither tell God. 2 plus 2 plus 2. Here the division is. Who says this to whom? What do you infer about the speaker from these words? What is the possible effect of these words on the person spoken to? Who said this and to whom? What do you infer about the speaker from these words? What was the possible effect of these words on the person spoken to? Okay? 2 plus 2 plus 2, equal division. Next is, the woman did not watch the boy to see if he was going to run now. Found it out? Okay. Why did the woman not watch the boy anymore? Total 6 marks. Credit is 6 marks. Full 6 marks. Now next question, the woman did not ask the boy anything that would embarrass him. Yes. Got it? Fine. Why did not Mrs. Jones want to embarrass Roger in any way? total 6 marks. Next question. Eat some more sun. Who is the speaker? What is offered by the speaker to his listener, to her listener, but to the listener? What picture of the speaker's character is revealed in this line? আচ্ছা, যখনই দেখবে এরকম প্রশ্ন দিচ্ছে, লাইনের মধ্যে থেকে কিন্তু কে রেস্ট্রিক্ট করবে ক্যারেক্টারটা। আমি দেখো প্রথমে একটা প্রশ্ন দিয়েছিলাম ক্যারেক্টার স্কেচ, সেখানে কিন্তু গল্পটা পড়ে টোটাল মিসেস উইলিয়াম ওয়াশিংটন বেস জোনসের ওপরে যে আইডিয়া তোমরা ফর্ম করেছো সেটাকে ডিটেইলিং দিতে হবে, কিন্তু এখানে কিন্তু পার্টিকুলার এই কনটেক্সটের ওপরে বেস করে তার ক্যারেক্টারটাকে বলতে হবে। So you don't have to write that much as you needed to write in the first question. You will have to write only a section of it. Fine, because here you have other two parts of the question, and whereas character sketch was having 6 marks as credit, this is having only 3 marks, because it doesn't need that much of detailing as is needed in the character sketch as a whole, as a unit. Fine? Okay. It's some more sun. Who is the speaker? What is offered by the speaker to the listener? Fine. What picture of the speaker's character is revealed in this line? The division of marks is 1 plus 1 plus 4. 1 plus 1 plus 4. This had appeared in the HS 2015. HS 2015. Yes. Last question. You ought to be my son. These are the contexts that usually are selected by HS paper setters under the instruction of the council. So these are demarcated, marked in red as HS questions, which you should prepare as I have given you, because these are suggestions of HS broad questions. Now if you go to suggest on your own and make your own criteria, then I'm afraid I'm helpless. Otherwise this will strike you right and you can come out with flying colors. You ought to be my son. I would teach you right from wrong. Who speaks to whom? Did the speaker manage to teach what he or she claimed to teach? Give reason for your answer. This had appeared in 2017 HS. You ought to be my son. Found it out? Okay, fine. Now take the questions. Who speaks to whom? Did the speaker manage to teach what he or she claims to teach? Give reasons for your answer. Now in this part of the question, please note down, the question is in a mingled tense, mixed up tense. The first part is in present tense, the second part is in past tense. As it is given in the question, likewise you will present your answer. When past tense is used, you will use past tense in the answer. When present tense is used, you will use present tense in the answer. Or else, if you want to do the entire thing in the present tense, you can do that, or in the past tense if you choose to do it. But I always advise my students as well, this is advice from my end to my viewers too, that please stick by such instructions as provided by the council and do not try to avert those instructions that may only invite unwanted troubles. So thank you, my students, and all of you, my students also, those who are viewing the channels, because I think so that only students are watching this channel, and maybe if some tutors also are watching this channel, they are also welcome, and I owe them my sincere thanks, my gratitude, and once again it's a request from my end to please like, share and subscribe, so that new uploadings will get in touch with you with notifications without delay, and you can get benefited from it. So Bye bye for now. We'll meet with my next video lecture on poem. Thank you.